Hey people, I just returned from a visit to this doctor. Um, Allopathy is not something that is very highly recommended because I've come back with such a list of medicines that it's even if I get well naturally, those medicines will might make me sick. But anyway, this is for the first time ever I'm recording at the dining table, and see, I'm eating a typical Malayali. It's called what puttu and with banana. It's a it's a very Malayali dish, and being half Malayali, I'm like all into Mallu food. But I think I'll go and get blood test tomorrow to find out about basically this whole this thing, yeah, of what's it called. See, this little bit of memory loss is also happening. I think it's because that's part of B12 deficiency, slightly memory loss. But no, I'll get a blood test done tomorrow. So anyway, I don't know why I'm telling you all so much about my health related issues. So no, it's more like for me now YouTube has come to be my friend. Yeah, I mean, it's कोई अगर रहे ना रहे यूट्यूब तो है मेरे लिए. सो नो नो, एंड आई डोंट नीड एनी वन एट दिस पॉइंट. और नो नो, सो स्वीट, सम फ्रेंड्स माइट वांट टू रीच out and ask me how I am and all, which happens, yeah, really. But anyway, so puttu and rice, puttu and banana I'm eating, and it's a very happy Malayali brunch. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.